Hey there everyone, welcome to another thoughtful video where I just like to present my thoughts with you, just sharing, rumbling the things which are in my mind. So if you want to watch this video, be my guest, and if you want to leave these videos, just leave them. There is no code involved in it, there is no advice involved in it, probably a little advice, but mostly it's all about putting my thoughts which are there in my head in front of the camera, and I love to share these thoughts with you. So in this video, I want to talk about why do people take these programming languages very personally. I really don't see any sense in this, that why people are taking these languages so much seriously. In fact, there is nothing to be serious about these languages at all. For an example, let's switch the context and go into the situation of a street fight, and you'll see the people claiming that, hey, I can perform way better with knives in a street fight or a close combat fight. But other person can really say that, hey, I'm really gonna crush you with my hammer or maybe with my gun, and probably I'm gonna shoot you down with a gun even in the close fight. So just having a personal attachment with something is highly dependent on how much is your expertise or how much time you have spent with that particular weapon and in what sense you are using it, what's the context of it. Similarly, I think that programming languages are similar to that. Every person has its unique context, unique usability, and unique experience with the programming language. There are people who can do marvelous, really amazing job with PHP that any developers with Ruby on Rails experience or JavaScript experience or the Java experience cannot really do. So it whole depends on what experience you have, what expertise you have, and in what context and what sense you are using those programming language. Taking programming languages personal has nothing to do at all, and I really sometimes enjoy these kids fight when they take programming as really personal. If somebody says something bad about a programming language, it's an experience that he's trying to share. It's not a personal attack on any one particular individual or a particular group of individual. It's just sharing the experience. Recently, I posted a really sarcastic video on Python is going to be dead, and a lot of people who are senior, who are experienced, really took that as a troll, which it is. That, hey, you took a really nice troll on is Python dead? And we were laughing on the comment. Then people were saying, hey, this guy knows nothing. He has absolutely no idea Python is here. We actually said same things about a lot of languages in the past, and yes, that is a troll. In fact, I enjoyed so much so that I'm probably thinking that I'll keep this video as a start of a playlist where in the future I'm going to mark more languages and more videos are going to come in as marking that, hey, is JavaScript dead? Is Java dead? Is C dead? And I think that's going to be fun. Initially, I thought that I'll probably just add these pun inside the video itself, but then I realized it will just ruin the core sense of enjoying the comment section if people will somehow get a sense that these videos were made purely on the troll basis. But yes, guilty as charged. I'm going to be trolling a little bit more of the programming languages, and I'll be sharing more such thoughts. And again, if there would be any wise programmer out there, he would be taking some experience out of that video, that why this guy is frustrated over a programming language or why he is sharing this experience. There's something that we can actually take out from that experience instead of just taking these is that XYZ programming language dead as a personal attack. And yes, I saw that very personally. I don't take these comments very personally now. I can understand these are very naive people. They're just getting into programming. They probably hardly have few months of experience. They just found some online tutorial, loved that programming language. They are in those honeymoon love phase that they cannot hear a single word against their programming languages, and this is probably the funniest of all. So yeah, I think there is no point of now making more videos to make sure that people understand that, hey, you don't need to take these languages seriously and personally. There's a saying that always attack the ideas, not the person behind it. And what these people do always is they remove the idea entirely from the frame and they just attack the individual itself. So even in the YouTube guideline, it says disagree with the idea, not with the person. There are a lot of things around it. But anyways, we are not going to be going into depth of it. All I'm saying is expect more videos in the future. And if you have watched this video as well, go into the comment section and enjoy the comments. I won't be removing any one of them. Some of them are going to be really harsh. But together, you and me, we know that as coder to coder talk, But yes, this is going to be a really fun situation. So yeah, officially I'm starting a war against all those naive people that, hey, expect the next video to be, is JavaScript dead? Is C dead? Is C++ dead? Even once we're gonna get onto the Rust as well, is Rust dead? This is going to be really a fun war. So let's see what happens in that war. I'll be collecting some of my thoughts and some ideas to make those videos. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy that. So if you enjoy these kinds of videos as well, the thoughtful videos, make sure you share them out, tweet them out, post them, LinkedIn, any social media that is there. And obviously subscribe for more such enjoyable content. And yes, more tutorials are on the way. So let's catch up there.